Good day everyone. Today I'll be presenting how digital communications work, from bits to signal. This presentation will help us to understand how the data we use every day, like messages, call, and internet browsing, actually travels through communication systems. Introduction to digital communication. Digital data is made of bits, which are simply zeros and ones. But we can just send zeros and ones directly through cable on air. We need to convert them into signals that physical system can carry. That's why encoding is so important. It bridges the gap between digital information and real-world communication channel. The role of encoding. In encoding, bits are transformed into signals. For example, a 0 can be represented by a low voltage, while 1 can be represented by a high voltage. This simple conversion is the first step in ensuring that computers and devices can speak in a way the transmission medium can understand. Modulation technique. Once encoded data needs to be modulated. Modulation allows us to send signals efficiently over long distances. There are three main types. Amplitude modulation, where the strength of the wave changes. Frequency modulation, where the frequency shifts. Phase modulation, where the angle of the wave is adjusted. Each has its own application and together they form the backbone of digital communications. Transmissions, medium, and its challenges. Now, these signals travels through different media like copper wires, optical fibers, or wireless airwaves. However, transmission is never perfect. Signals can face challenges such as noise, interference, or signal loss. Engineers design system with these issues in mind to make sure information arrive correctly. Receiving and decoding signals. On the receiving end, signals must be converted back into digital form. This is done through demodulation and analog to digital conversion. Additionally, error detection and correction technique are applied to fix any mistakes that may have happened during transmission. Why this matter? This entire process may sound technical, but it's the foundation of our connected world. Without encoding, modulation, and reliable transmission, we wouldn't have the internet, mobile phones, or even satellites, TV. It ensures that our communication systems remain fast, reliable, and accurate. Summary and takeaways. To summarize, digital communication follows a clear path. Data is encoded, modulated, transmitted, demodulated, and finally decoded. Each step is critical and together they make modern communication possible.